Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel. My name is Luis, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can set up a smart plug or smart socket in your house. Okay, so this unit arrived from eBay. It cost about $10, and as you can see it can be used with Amazon Alexa, Google Home and others. Okay, the item comes with instructions and a QR code that we will scan to install the application required to set up. You can also operate the unit directly pressing the button with your finger. Okay, let's have a look at the instructions. And as I told you, the name of the application or the QR code to scan for the application required. Okay, it also can be controlled, as I told you, from Google Assistant, and I will show you later in the video. Okay, so first time we need to press during 5 seconds and the LED will blink. It's not showing in the video, but I can guarantee you that is blinking. So now we are going to start the application and search for devices. Okay, it's Smart Life application, and I already have one set up in my house, so we are going to scan for more devices. So click socket, and we already did that part of the blinking LED. Now press confirm and the system will search for devices in your network. If all went okay, it will find your devices. If not, you need to repeat that part of pressing the button for 5 seconds. Okay, so it found something, so press done, and now the device is ready to be operated. So this is the switch directly on your smartphone, and we can now change name, change icon, assign a division of our house, and I will show you all the steps, all we can do with this smart socket. Okay, so we can connect, disconnect, really easy. Just press the socket that you need. So now in action. Okay, so directly on the power switch, and now you can turn it on with your smartphone. So the LED strip and the other LED strip, the colored one. And this is how you set up your smart socket. And now we will have a look at the other features. So as you can see, we can create schedules. So this is the interesting part. So we can create schedules for the devices in your house to connect and disconnect in a certain period on a chosen day. Okay, really handy. So you just select the smart socket you want to create the schedule, and on the right side you click schedule, click head, select the time that you want your event to start or to power on your switch. Select the day of the week, so I will select only working days, and now you can enter a note. So if we have several devices, it's better to enter a note just to remind us what this event is for, okay? And put it on to turn the switch on, and a notification if you want to receive a warning on your mobile phone. Create another schedule to turn off your devices, otherwise it would be on forever. Okay, so we need to create on the same days, and again one note for the future to know which socket this is and why we did create this event. Okay, and now we have so to turn on and turn off. That's how you can create events. Now we can set a timer. So imagine that you want to charge a battery and you know it takes about 1 hour, so you can set it up to work only 1 hour or more as you wish. Okay, so switch it, if you press switches it changes from on to off. We can also change the name, as I told you, really easy, just click rename. I will leave it the same, and also the icon, we can change the icon and we'll request access to your device folders. Okay, I will not change, it's just to show you that is possible to do. You can also assign to your home division, so you can assign to your bedroom, to your kitchen, and that way you can operate from Google Assistant or Alexa. You can operate all stuff in your home division. Okay, so I'm going to show you now how we can operate all smart devices in my house directly from Home Assistant. Okay, I will open now. So I don't have a Google Home device, but if you don't know, you can install Home Assistant directly on your phone and you can operate Google Home from your phone. So it doesn't have a loudspeaker or is not attached to the wall, but it is a Google Home. Okay, so here you can see all the sockets that I have in my house, and I can control directly from here. So my light bulbs, I can power on, change color, brightness. I can connect and disconnect all the other sockets directly from Google Assistant. Really easy. I can also speak to Google Assistant and it will operate all devices. Okay, I will speak again, and now I will tell them to change my lights to blue. I didn't record that, but as you can see, changed 2 smart bulbs to blue. So if you found that this video was useful, don't forget to leave a thumbs up and consider to subscribe. I will see you on the next video. Thank you very much. If you like this video, please subscribe.